Fresh Baked, look at these crazy giraffes. It's like he's exploded. Mark Twain. There we go, finally. He looks like he could be a Fresh Baked Muffin. Oh look, it's some canolds. Or it's a canold. By now, we're not going to get any clever repartee from the skipper because they're probably all pooped. Everybody's tired. They've been canoeing for the last hour. Only one more lap to go. Fresh Baked, you know what? I want to go get a fast pass for Big Thunder. Do you want to come with us and get a fast pass? I haven't ridden Big Thunder in like 4 or 5 weeks. And I've got another Davy Jones for Big Thunder Railroad. Hopefully it works out for us because every time I say I want to do something, the Disney wind has been kicking me in the shins the last couple weeks, so let's make this happen, Fresh Baked, come on. And thanks to the powers of our feet and editing, we have 2 fast passes for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at 3:40 p.m. We expect to catch that at 3:40 p.m. But first, we're going to go over to Adventureland to do some adventuring. Come along, Fresh Baked, let's do this. 45 minutes, Fresh Baked, for Indiana Jones right now. We got a fast pass for Big Thunder to come back at 3:40, but if you get one for Indiana Jones, you got to come back 5 hours later at 8:40. That sucks. So let's, you know what, let's shop instead. Let's go to the Indiana Jones Adventure Outpost and find us some stuff in here that's very adventure-y. Oh, check it out, you can get a bag of rocks. Wow. That rocks, dude. Just so totally rocks. Dude. You did that, you went there, good job, Mike. Tiny hat? Oh no, look out! Wait. Oh. Yeah, she went hood on us. She's from Long Beach, so I guess she's allowed to shoot like that, right? They have a bucket of lassos. How much are the lassos?
Free.
No. That's not true.
For child safety.
These are $48 for an Indiana Jones lasso. It's $48. Actually, it's not a lasso, it's a whip. It's a whip, Fresh Baked. Let's go over here, next door. Oh, look it. Here's some adventurers. He found some skulls. Good job, dude. Way to go finding those skulls, buddy. What is that? I never noticed those before. This is new. They've got California themed stuff in here now. You can get a billfold, lady's little purse thing or whatever, and a California Love trucker's hat. Now, do they do a lot of wild adventuring in California anymore? I'm pretty sure all of California has been discovered, right? Like, there's no place in California like, oh my God, where is this? This is uncharted territory.
Uncharted
Death Valley?
They've charted Death Valley.
Every rock?
Yes, Mike, every single rock.
Every little cavern?
Yes, all the caverns.
Crevice?
And this hat.
Will pop out around.
And this hat. It's hat cam.
I like that. I can show you colors. Like baby cute green. Baby cute green.
Yes.
That was pretty awesome, actually. What's that?
Yeah, those butterflies.
You like butterflies?
My stepmom loves butterflies. Wait.
Let's go this way.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Oh, that's right. That's very Hollywood now. She turned it into something summery into very Hollywood. Well done. Well played. She turned it on you, Mario. You thought it was going to be funny, but now it's very stylish. She twisted the script on you. It's hat cam. Looks so cute. You can't. I don't think there's any fixing this one. Oh wait, you just did. And the ninja made it worse. Where's your face?
Like an emo kid.
There you go.
I don't think you're wrong with that. You could really hurt somebody.
I know. Who makes that? Can I do it?
Why do you like hats so much?
They're just fabulous.
Fresh Baked, look at these crazy giraffes. It's like he's exploded. And he's all dangly in there too. Ooh, that's really trippy. It's very lightweight, very brittle. Like I could smash that right now if I wanted to. And you get a zebra just like that. Does he? Yeah, he does move around. These are $19 each. No new dishes really. These mugs and stuff look about the same. I think we've seen these before. I'm being attacked.
Your doom.
My Doom? What? Hello, Doom. How are you? This one is got no thing on it. Is this the one? Is that the safety?
Retreat, ladies.
Which,
Fall back.
wait, you don't.
Fall back.
Mike, you guys smell that? Do you smell that barbecue? Fresh Baked. Do you smell that barbecue next door? How do people live, like, work in this area without eating all of the barbecue? These keys, we've shown these keys before, but I think I'm with Sarah. They're compelling. Like, you don't have a reason to buy these other than, like,
They're cool.
they're cool, right? You know what you do? You get these when you decide I don't want $17 anymore. Like,
All right.
you've got 17 too many dollars,
Possible. Well,
right?
yes.
Because there's really no function to that. You can't even play with those. Or,
Well, they kind of look like Officer Blue's keys.
yeah, I still want
He
them.
says one does open.
I just want them, and then just to put them somewhere, and then and leave it there forever. Like, at least this you can enjoy this when it's on your keychain, right?
I was about to say, see with that opening right there, you can put your keychain on there, and then as you drive, you can
Well,
have these
but Mike, what about the people who wear skinny jeans? Like,
like my nephew.
how do you wear skinny jeans and put those keys in your pocket?
Oh, you don't.
And if you like just bend over, it'd be like, oh my god.
What's that commercial say?
What's that?
There's a commercial that I keep hearing that says, if it's too tight, it just ain't right.
That's right. Dead on, man. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out our Secrets in History videos, or maybe our ride-throughs. Or you can just watch all of our weekly trip reports and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. It truly is the best of Disney Baked Fresh Daily. Oh, and don't forget, you can support Fresh Baked through our Patreon campaign, link below. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Fresh Baked! Wonderful.